Down in the blocks, or getting down into the blocks. And away they go. Su got a fine start, as did Tortu. Some work to do for Simbina, and he's not going to get there. It's going to be a win for China. And Su Bingqian flew out of the blocks. Wonderful start from the Chinese. Oh, has he broken the Italian national record, I wonder? 9:99. I think he has, you know. A new national record for young Filippo Tortu. And what a sprinter they have on their hands here. First time he goes sub-10, and he does it here in Madrid. 9:91 the official time for Su Bingqian. So 3 personal bests here. The guys who are in the top 4. Season's best for Simbina, 10:01. A personal best for De Oliveira at 10:06. Tortu going under 10 seconds for the first time.